Hi, I'm Insia and we're here today in Bambolim to kayak. This is a really cool Urbanaut experience that you can book. You can come kayaking either in the morning or during the sunset. This is open sea kayaking and I'm very excited. Again, always very scared to get in the water, but I think this is the best way to get in, the safest way to get in.
Somewhere on the sea, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak.
I know I make it look really easy, it's not.
I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back.
What's great about early mornings is that the sea is really quiet. There's nobody around. It's like the whole sea is yours.